Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a clean, simple syrup because hummingbirds only need sugar and water. Heat plain water to a simmer, then add white granulated sugar at a 1:4 ratio so the solution matches natural flower nectar. Stir until fully dissolved. This both dissolves sugar and sterilizes the mixture. Once done, cool to room temperature before pouring. Make sure to avoid additives. Additives change osmotic balance and can harm birds. Pour into a clean feeder and seal it gently. Once the syrup is cooled, you reduce contamination risk by transferring it into a sterile feeder and into refrigerated storage for leftovers. Cool syrup prevents warping plastic feeders and stops premature spoilage. Store extra syrup in an airtight container and label with the preparation date. This helps you rotate stock every week. Make sure to check feeder parts and clean them weekly because grime breeds mold. If you plan to keep syrup longer than 7 days, discard and make a fresh batch. You finish by maintaining cleanliness and monitoring the feeder to protect birds. Empty and scrub the feeder at least every 3 to 5 days in warm weather using hot water and a bottle brush. Avoid soap residue. If the nectar becomes cloudy, bubbly, or develops an off smell, discard it and sanitize the feeder. Those are signs of fermentation or mold. Finally, place the feeder in partial shade to slow spoilage. If ants or bees invade, use ant moats or reposition the feeder downwind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.